Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So जिस चीज़ का बहुत दिनों से मुझे इंतज़ार था आप लोगों के लिए वो अब आ रहा है and I really want to thank Puneet for making it happen, or shall I say Mr. Vaswani and Mr. Mehrotra for making this happen. Thank you Puneet for organizing this, which I foresee as a huge value addition in the capability of the organization. So I just want to share how did we land up on this tool to begin with. So Siddharth and me, we were contemplating that the way we conduct interviews is based on our gut feel, our whims and fancies, okay, which worked out well for us at that point of time. But we felt that this is not scalable, right? And that's when we started to understand कि इसको solve करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. So we talk to people, talk to experts to understand that how do other companies solve this problem, and that's when we got exposed to behavioral event interview as a tool, and we were very excited by one core belief that this tool has, that past behavior governs or predicts how the future behavior is going to be, right? So that was a very simple belief that this tool had, which excited us and which helped us take a call that yes, this is the tool that is going to solve the ambiguity in interview taking that we were facing at that point of time. And that's when we got associated with Mr. Puneet Mehrotra to actually conduct this workshop or participate in a workshop which he was conducting. And it was a very I would say engaging and mesmerizing experience of 2 days for the 5 of us who attended that session. It was very participative, not theoretical. We were able to actually internalize the various aspects of the tool, which helped us not just like attend it as a training session, but actually translate it into our actions later on post the workshop. And the core value addition that the tool did if I were to share that in short, is that we were able to differentiate between facts and stories, right? So in fact, I shared experiences with Siddharth and Sagar, Vineet, the participants of that workshop, that I would have ended up hiring a set of people had I been not exposed to the tool, which with the help of this tool, I was able to like really get into the thick of things in that conversation in a shorter span of time and be able to identify facts rather than getting lost in stories. So that's the power that it has given me as a consumer of this tool, and I believe that this will add a similar value and maybe much more to all of you who will be attending this workshop, and really look forward to how this tool comes alive as a capability element of the entire organization. Now we'll be approximately 20 people qualified on this tool, and which will really help us take our hiring and selection process to the next level. Not just hiring and selection process, this tool would also encompass in various other conversations of performance assessment within the organization that we do. And this clubbed with the competency framework that we have built in the company, it like marries beautifully to differentiate between facts and stories and actually look for the elements which would help an individual perform in our organization. So guys, really excited that you're being exposed to this capability program, and hope that you enjoy the next 2 days of engagement with Puneet and come out with flying colors. Thank you very much and enjoy the 2 days that you spend learning this tool.